Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are discussing about the atmospheric refraction. It is one of the important topic in the class 10th. Dear students, as you know that when light travels from one medium to another medium, there occurs the refraction of light. So the process of refraction takes place when light travels from one medium to another medium. That is, if a medium, that is when light travels from one medium having one optical density to the another medium having other optical density, there occurs the bending of light. That bending of light is known as refraction of light. So when we look on the atmosphere, this atmosphere is made up of air. It is air everywhere. Atmosphere is made up of air. But in this atmosphere, the air, there are different layers of air. Some layers of air are near the earth and some layers of air are farther from the earth. So some layers of air are at higher temperature and some layers of air are at lower temperature. So in atmosphere, the layers of air which are cold, that is which have lower temperature, acts as the denser mediums, whereas the layers of air which are hot, they act as the rarer medium. So dear students, we can say that जो air होता है, जो सर्द हवा होती है वो denser medium act करता है और जो गर्म हवा होती है वो rarer medium act करती है. Now when light coming from the sun enters into this atmosphere, it travels through the atmosphere, through different layers of atmosphere. So it may travel from colder layers of air to hotter layers of air, or from hotter layers of air to colder layers of air. So simply we can say that the light coming from the sun, when it passes through the atmosphere, it undergoes the refraction because it travels from one layer, it travels from the one medium to the another medium. It travels from the colder layers of air to the hotter layers of air. So from the denser medium to the rarer medium, or it travels from the hotter layers to the colder layers, that is from rarer to denser medium. So simply we can say that the ray of light coming from the sun or from any source, when it enters in the atmosphere, it undergoes refraction. This phenomena is known as atmospheric refraction. So we can say that the refraction of light when it comes through different layers of atmosphere is known as atmospheric refraction. So this is about the atmospheric refraction. Now dear students, on this atmospheric refraction, an important phenomena, natural phenomena is associated with this atmospheric refraction. You are aware about a phenomena, natural phenomena, that is twinkling of stars. जो तारे टिमटिमाते हैं, that twinkling of stars, तारों का टिमटिमाना, that is because of the atmospheric refraction. Generally students, you know that stars जो होते हैं इनकी अपनी एक लाइट होती है, they emit their own light, that is known as starlight. And when this starlight, when you look on the atmosphere, जब आप स्काई में देखते हो नाइट टाइम में, you will see that the intensity of this starlight, it changes. Sometimes the starlight is bright and sometimes the starlight is dim. So we can simply say that the intensity of the starlight changes. The intensity of starlight continuously changes. Sometimes stars appear bright and sometimes they appear dim. This change in the intensity of the starlight is known as the twinkling of stars. So we can say that the change in the intensity of starlight is known as twinkling of stars, and this twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction. So this twinkling of stars is due to atmospheric refraction. So dear students, this was about the atmospheric refraction. Thank you and have a nice day.